Hello and welcome to today's video, Finding What Brings You Joy. Thanks for tuning into my channel, Focusing on Me, where you can learn ways to focus on yourself to increase positive thinking and improve your wellness. Today, I would like to talk to you about the importance of finding what brings you joy. Whether you're wanting to have some fun activities to do or needing them to help you get through stressful times, it's a good idea to have options for things that you can do to help you stay positive and improve your mood. I'll be reviewing examples of common activities that are helpful for you to choose from or to add to your own list of activities that can bring you joy. Since many people find joy in relaxation activities, I've created an additional relaxation video for you to enjoy, so make sure to watch until the end. Some of the activities that bring many people joy can be related to things they can do in the comfort of their own home. These can include things such as redecorating your place so that it has a new look and feels like a new environment. It can also help you become more organized by getting rid of things that you no longer use or need. You can create a special place in your home for activities that you enjoy, such as for art, reading, or playing games. You can also add your own special touch by shopping for new things such as plants or flowers to add style and comfort, or buy scented candles for aromatherapy. There are many relaxation activities to enjoy, including those that involve self-care, such as an at-home spa during the day while listening to relaxing music, or enjoying a quiet evening relaxing in front of a warm fireplace. While many people may not be fond of exercising, others may find it very enjoyable, and you can too. Some of the ways to enjoy exercising is by adding upbeat music as a motivator and adding a variety of exercises to help you with your fitness goals. Remember that increasing physical activity can be very beneficial to your health and wellness, as it helps with increasing muscle strength, improving your immune system, helps reduce risk of heart disease, improves sleep, and helps improve your mood. All these health benefits will help you feel good so that you can enjoy more of what you love. Almost with any activity you do, you can enjoy listening to your favorite music to help you feel good, bring you positive memories of time spent with loved ones, or memories of special events in your life. Music can be very soothing and relaxing, or it can be motivating and inspire you to do things, depending on your choice of music or songs. Music can also get you to dance, which provides you with a sense of freedom from self expression, and it can be so much fun. You can also find joy in watching your favorite types of shows or movies, whether you're into the excitement from action movies or you enjoy laughter from watching comedy. Participating in activities such as art or music can also bring you joy, and you can be very creative with both as you practice and increase your talents in these areas. You can also discover your potential for new interests, such as learning a new language or starting a new hobby. Some people enjoy learning at their own pace and do so by taking a self-study class online or learn other new things, such as how to cook new dishes by trying new recipes. Many people enjoy the use of journaling as a means to express their thoughts and feelings and to let go of any negative emotions. Journaling can also be used to write about how you plan to achieve and enjoy your goals, making this a motivator for yourself so that you can work on what you desire in life. Meeting and connecting with friends and family can bring so much joy to everyone. Think of all the special times and funny moments you've been able to enjoy together and consider additional ways to create ongoing positive experiences. Some people find that helping others during times of need and showing kindness helps them feel good as well. Many people have in common finding joy in spending time with and playing with their pets. Discovering the world through travel, whether local or long distance, can also be very enjoyable as you get to see new places, meet new people, and learn new things, including trying new foods and learning about different lifestyles. Many people enjoy learning about new places by studying them online and, when possible, visiting locations of interest. If you love nature, perhaps going for walks, watching the sunrise, or enjoying stargazing at night is relaxing and enjoyable to you. Practicing gratitude to identify positive areas of your life can also bring you a sense of relaxation and positive thinking, therefore bringing you joy. Having time for yourself in the day can also bring you joy, as you spend time focusing on your own needs, including doing fun activities and having time for relaxation. There are so many possibilities for things that you can find to bring you joy. It's a matter of taking the time to participate in activities of pleasure and discovering more of yourself. You may find that many of the things that you enjoy will also lead to self improvement, which increases self esteem, self confidence, and increases motivation for continued personal growth. When you feel good, you also feel improvement in your health and wellness. Whatever brings you joy, remember to be creative and live in the moment so that you can enjoy yourself more in the process. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, share the video in English and in Spanish. Remember to subscribe and comment below. Let me know what you're finding which brings you joy. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for additional relaxation video. Take care of yourself.